Hello everyone, this is Anna from Leximbue Journals.
Welcome to Tag Friday team.
The graphics fairy, and today we're going to be making this tag. It is a fairy tag and it has fairies attached onto it. It has butterfly wings and all sorts of pretty things, and it opens up. I have this as a closure. It opens up into this inside, and one can add notes or any other things that they might like. I will show you in a minute how I made this tag, and I hope you enjoy the video. So I have chosen these printables here from premium membership site of the Graphics Fairy. I have printed these tags on a 125% size so that I could choose two to make the back and the front of my tag. I always like to have the theme of the front on the back, only a little bit more simple, and it's just nice to do that when, you know, to turn the tag around. The other thing I have done is I've printed the ballerina fairies from the ballerina fairies bundle as well, but I chose this one because they're very petite and I want to attach them onto my tag. I've also printed these book plates and I'm going to use one of them, and this comes from the Secret Garden bundle, and I am going to add this into my tag. Also, I have printed on tracing paper these wings. They come from the Wings and Things bundle. Lots of different types of wings, but I chose these because I thought that maybe I could have these I could have something without too much color to add to my tag. So I've got some brads here, and I've also got these for the tag. So as I said, I have printed these in a larger size, and I am going to cut them around. So I have fussy cut everything, and now I will distress. Now I have everything I need to make my tag. So I am going to just measure this image here. And before I glue it on, I will put something in the middle to keep it, these two parts connected as they fold. I'll glue it in between the two, so that when it opens up, we will be able to see what to see inside. And I will put this fairy on this side, and this secret garden on this side. I put them close together, and I will attach the tree like this. Yeah, I will fold it so that I can get those tags in the right place. Now I will be using a little hole puncher to pierce where I want to put my fairies. Add the little brads here, the smallest I could get, but they're quite cute. There we are. There they are. Have one here. There we are. So now I have my fairies on to this. I will add my butterflies on this part and use the same brad and put them through. There. And it actually gives it an interesting effect, the unfolding of the brad. So one side of the tag is ready, and then I will punch the other side from the back. And to finish this tag, I have here a clip with a fairy, and I will attach the fairy onto the clip. I take a little piece of paper and I glue it onto the clip and then onto the fairy. That's the way I do it. So I will put a bit of glue on the paper, cut a smaller size, put glue on the paper there, leave a big part of it like that. There she is. I chose this yarn just to finish it off, and I'm just going to put it through the front one, the front tag. There we go. And it gives it a nice sort of wholesome look. And I will clip the fairy back on. There we are.
So I hope you enjoyed this Tag Team Friday video for the Graphics Fairy Premium website. We will be talking again very soon. Thank you.